I'm breaking out and all that. You want to put me on the internet looking like this.
Don't worry about that. So, how you doing?
I'm good.
First time shipping with us?
Yes.
So, how you hear about us?
From a friend overseas.
That's nice, wonderful. Well, we take it from overseas to Jamaica, ship it exactly at your
South
location, at your door.
Yes, South Borough.
Okay, thank you again for shipping with us. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yeah, Brad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.